Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how to crochet a handle for a basket, and this can also be used as a bag strap. I have a separate video for the basket, so make sure to check it out. Link is in the description box along with the wedding pattern for the basket. The yarn I'm using for this project is cotton yarn, webbing from Hobby. This is a webby flat yarn, and it is a number 5 bulky yarn, 6mm hook, but you can use any types of hook size according to the yarn you use. And this is my crochet ring. I would not crochet without it. It is to help ease the pain on the finger so that the yarn is not pulling the finger. I highly recommend it if you crochet a lot. For more information, I have the link in the description box. Alright, let's get started. Grab hold onto the tail and leave about 8 or 9 inches long for stitching, and make a slip knot. Then make a foundation chain. It could be in any numbers, and I did 51 chain for the basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To begin the first round, on the second chain from hook, that's 1, 2, this one, turn to the back, and place a single crochet into the back of the chain, into the little bump here. Insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Make sure your stitch are not too tight, keep them loose. The next stitch, insert into the last loop of the single crochet. 1, 2, this one here, insert. Do not pull up a loop here. Then insert into the next chain. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Now that we have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. Again, insert into the last loop of the stitch. This time, we have 3 loops. On the third loop, insert, then insert into the next chain. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 3 loops. Insert into the last loop of the previous stitch. Insert into the next chain. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 3 loops. Again, insert into the last loop of the stitch. Insert into the next chain. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 3 loops. And this is the repeat for this round. Repeat this all the way to the end, and I'll meet you on the next round. To begin round 2, 1 chain and turn. We're doing the exact same thing on what we did on the last round, but doing it from backward. On the first stitch, this one, place a single crochet from backward. Insert hook from back to front like this. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through. The next stitch, insert into the last loop of the single crochet. This one. Insert into the next stitch. That's this one here. Remember, we'll insert from back to front. Yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Again, insert into the last loop, and insert into the next stitch. It does feel a little bit challenging at first, but once you get a hang of it, it becomes very easy. There's a trick when doing this stitch, is by twisting your hook as you crochet. So insert into the last loop, insert into the first stitch. As you can see, the hole is facing me. Now turn it so it's facing down when I'm pulling through the stitch, and it's facing up. Yarn over, and I turn the hook facing down when I'm pulling through the loops. Again, insert into the last stitch. The hook is facing towards me, and insert into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through. This way, it's pointing down. It's facing up. Facing down. Again. So repeat this all the way to the end. And this is how it looks like on the other side. And this is the right side of the handle. At the end of the round, 1 chain and cut yarn. And this is the right side of the handle, which will work facing the outside. Lastly is to attach the handle to the basket, and I stitch it from the inside. And that's all for today. The link to the basket is in the description box. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to support this channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!